Random clips that had nowhere else to go. Jonathan and I are going to go do some Christmas shopping. Yes, we're gonna get some done early. And before that though, we are going to recycle all of our water bottles here at the recycling, which I'm glad that we do. I'm glad that we recycle. So after that, we're gonna go get some stuff for our niece and nephew. Look who enjoys his new toy. Who's enjoying his new toy? Do you love your Gingy? Yeah. You're so precious, D'Artagnan. I love you. I love you. Go ahead. Yeah. Oh, big toy. Oh, you enjoying that?
I thought this was cute. Look at this. She's right there. And then Taya's right here. I just thought that was really cute.
Why do I keep recording you all the time? Why? I'll tell you why, because you're so cute. Quick little random clip. I know it's dark because all the lights are off. Ah! Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Fly.
I'm thinking about one.
There we go.
Oh.
Anyway, can you kind of see me? Alright, really quick. Jonathan went to go get the new Battlefront Star Wars game. What? Yeah, it's this Star Wars Battlefront game. You can't see me. At midnight, because he was that excited. And I thought it was too good not to vlog. So it's dark, and yeah, it is... Golly, what time is it? It's 12:30, and he just started playing the game. I don't know if he's gonna go to bed tonight. Somebody's excited.
Oh.
Alright, sorry it's dark and fuzzy and hard to see me, but that's the random clip. Peace! Look at D'Artagnan. He's super snuggly right now. Aww. I just thought he looked so cute. Mr. Snuggles. He just wants to be between Mama and Daddy. D'Artagnan. We love you. He's pretty much the only thing in our random clips. Is D'Artagnan.
Random
Clips. That just took his spot. We switched. You see that little black fuzz ball? Little black fuzz ball. You took D'Artagnan's spot. The pups just love to snuggle. This guy's handsome. It's true fact.
Nope.
True story.
Oh.
Look at your hair. Daddy, I love you. Not even joking. Anastasia had to take a turn. These dogs know. Anastasia! Anastasia! Did you have to take a turn? Oh. I love my puppy.